2004 RX 300. As one of the first entries in the crossover luxury SUV segment, the Lexus RX 300 provides a high seating position, available all-wheel drive, and generous cargo capacity, along with great fuel economy, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, power door locks, power windows, backup camera, fog lamps, daytime running lights, moonroof, leather, park sense, park assist, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.